Today we have a one-handed chainsaw that came to us for repair with a torn carburetor adapter. This happened due to a ripped mount, rubber buffer. We'll need to replace the adapter with a new intact one, and also install a larger buffer to prevent such issues in the future. We've removed the bar and chain, and now we're moving on with the disassembly. Here's what the adapter looks like from the carburetor side. To access the adapter mounting, we need to unscrew the handle and disconnect a couple of hoses and a wire under the cover. We've reached the adapter, unscrewing it now. You can see how it was torn apart. We'll be installing a new one, but using the old gasket since it's still in good condition. The adapter is now installed. Next, we remove the buffer that caused the adapter to tear. We'll install the new one once the handle is back in place. So let's move on to that. The handle is installed. Now we fit the adapter back into its proper place and proceed with the buffer installation. I specifically chose a larger buffer this time to prevent it from popping out again in the future. Now, as usual, we check the carburetor screen for cleanliness. It's clean as a customer's tear. We reassemble the carburetor and get ready to install it. The air filter is in place. We're fixing the last cosmetic touches. We'll reinstall the bar and chain off camera, and it's ready to start.